Here, pop, 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 pop. Here, pop, 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 pop. Come on, boy. Building one brick at a time. One brick at a time. What I'm talking about. We ain't building no bricks. Our dogs and our puppies got structure. We don't build bricks around here. We build stuff with structure, muscle, physiques. Ooh wee! Look at the bone on them little jokers there. Not even a month old yet. Ooh wee! Come on, y'all. Let me see y'all little pretty faces. There you go. Come on, girl. Come on, mama. Come on, mama. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. The rest of y'all want to come? Come on. Good girl. Look at this girl right here. Let me zoom this out. Let them see you, mama. There you go. Let them see you. Let them see you. There you go. Good girl. That's a pretty girl. Yeah. That's a pretty girl. Everybody else, hey man, get out of that tub, man. Come on here. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go get your brothers and sisters. They don't want to act right. Baby girl, say they don't want to act right, do they? Say no, daddy, they don't want to act right. Let's go get them. What y'all doing, man? What y'all doing? Huh? Come on, get out of there, dude. Come on. Come on, you can come out. Come on. What you doing, girl? You want a close up? I mean, boy, I'm sorry. Called your girl, didn't I? Look at this little joke. That's the little Apollo clone right there. He don't want to come out. Come on, buddy. Come on, man. Your sister coming to get you. She coming to get you. Tell him come on out. Oh, you gonna go in there and sit down too? Come on, y'all. Come on, man. Oh, come on out of there, buddy. Come on, everybody out. Found your little hiding place, didn't you? Uh-huh. Check him out. That's my gang. That's my gang. Right there. That's my gang. That's my boys and my girls. That's them. Look at them. Oh, man. Yes, sir. That's them. Won't be a month old until the 19th of this month. Come on, girl. Well, boy, I'm sorry, man. I keep calling you a girl. Come on. Come on, dude. Yeah. Yeah, y'all. Shoot. But that's pretty much it. Just thought I'd give y'all a video of them out here scrolling around in the backyard. Everybody out there, be safe. Keep your family safe. Stay the fuck in the house. And y'all have a good one, man. 803 Limitless Bullies. This Will. Peace, and I'm out.